Every show, subscribe. Here we go. I'm the king. Every show, subscribe. Here we go. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. I just finished watering my plants. It is a rainy, gloomy day out and I don't want to go out. I think Vince wants to go to Lowe's and I need a new flower, a water pot. Let me show you. Let me show y'all what's going on. See my, I don't know what you call it, but anyway. This is broken. Look, every time I water my plants, look, now it doesn't want to come off, but usually every time I water my plants, this top piece right here, it comes off. Yeah, it's been falling off on me every time I water my plants, and more water comes out than it should. This back. Sweetie's in the bed. Came down already. He already had his tea and his breakfast. I already had my breakfast and Denim had his breakfast. The kitchen is clean. Denim's actually upstairs on the game when he should be reading. Today is pretty much a chill day. Don't have no plans for today. No plans for today. Not sure what we're gonna do, but whatever I do today, I'm gonna bring the camera and have you tag along with us, okay? So let me go upstairs and get myself together. Peace. We're getting ready to go to Lowe's. And yeah. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. My mirror is dirty. My whole, I'm not embarrassed. Look at my mirror, y'all. It's filthy. It is filthy. But we are getting ready to go to Lowe's. And it's raining outside, so I just got on this was my college sweater. I went to Clayton State University. Graduated 2014. But anyway, we're going to Lowe's and yeah, I'm taking you with us.
Alright, so he said he's gonna come by about 5 to look at it.
Today?
Yeah. Recording, huh?
Yes, I am. Okay guys, so I just, look at this. Just turned my phone on. Wait, hold on. I just turned my phone on. 222. See that? 222. And I have a quote on my phone that I saved, and it says, I am grateful for all my life experiences. I have no regrets. And it's raining. I'm thinking if I should put a hat on. I think I should put a hat on because it's raining out and my braids are looking good. Yes, girl, she did that. tape and nails. Tape and nails.
That's it.
And that's it. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna go with you. Right? I'm just gonna go with you.
Yeah, you over around weekend.
Who said that?
That little girl.
Oh.
They videoing you?
You found it?
Let's go.
That's it?
That's it.
I thought you said one more thing.
Oh,
Nails and- How
I
you
didn't forget. I said that's it for here. It's not in this section. I didn't forget.
Just like this, yo.
I did not forget. I said that's it for this aisle right here. Now we gotta get the tape.
No, you didn't say that. You said, alright, that's it. That's it.
Gotta get the fridge.
I'm just following him, y'all.
Tape.
I think we passed the tape, sweetie.
No, it's
What kind of tape?
it's drywall tape.
Is it down this way?
Should be. This way drywall. Pull out that burnt stuff.
Oh, that's insulation.
Yeah, we need the fireplace.
This is insulation. See?
We need to pull that.
I know a little bit about
that burnt stuff out the wall.
I know a little bit about this stuff in here. Thanks to Daddy.
You know when you put your drywall up,
Yeah.
you put two boards next to each other, you gotta put tape in the middle of it.
Okay.
Before you put your plaster up. You know what I mean?
I thought you nailed it. Oh, you put tape and then you put the plaster on top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Camera.
Oh, you on camera, huh?
Hey.
It says recording. Did you find it, sweetie?
No. It's somewhere around here. Drywall tape. You better find it.
Well, wouldn't it be where drywall was at? Alright.
It was over here.
This right here, drywall joint tape.
Freedom, like sharp nail.
Is it dirty, Denim?
Huh?
Your AirPod is dirty?
I have like small like earwax type stuff.
Ew. He has small earwax. That means you need to clean your ears, dude.
Yeah, I mean I do.
You do, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Denim ain't got no shame in his game. He don't give a damn.
Huh?
I said, you don't have no shame in your game. You don't give a damn, do you?
No.
You don't? You don't care, right?
That's it. I don't see nothing sticky.
He's
on
still
this
trying
thing.
to find the tape, y'all.
That ain't sticky, right? So why you supposed to use this?
Because you put the plaster. You put it on there and then put the plaster. Yeah. I'm going to go look at the refrigerators. We need a new fridge, y'all.
Yeah, we need to tell them we need it now.
It's an old fridge. Our refrigerator is old. We've had it. We've been living in that house for how long now? April will be 5 years.
Yeah, alright, let's just get this.
Yep, April will be 5 years we've been in our home. And we need to get a new refrigerator.
Halfway to 10.
Halfway to 10, yep. 5 years, y'all. And the lady that we bought it from, she gave us her fridge, which was good at the time. But now it's getting old. We want a new one. So let's see what type of refrigerators they have here. And I know refrigerators are
Let's see if we can
expensive.
eat.
I don't want, you know what? It's crazy. I don't want the one that has a freezer at the bottom.
No.
I don't want those. This is something like what we have now. The freezer at the bottom, we don't want that. We don't. Call us old-fashioned if you want to.
What about this one?
But we just want the same regular schmegular. Wow, look at this one. But see, this got the freezer at the bottom. I don't want the freezer at the bottom. I don't want the freezer, but I do like that. Let's see what else they have. I'm old school. I just want a simple refrigerator.
I kind of like that one. I like the one with the iPad.
You do? Well, see, you're into technology and all that high-tech crap. I'm not into all that. Because next thing you know, that shit go out.
Then you gotta fix it.
Then you gotta fix it. Just give me a big fridge where I can,
Alright, so the ones you look at, what you think?
I don't see anything I like. I'm gonna keep it real. Denim, you see anything you like? Huh?
Not really. Nope.
On this side, what about this?
I don't like the freezers on the bottom. I mean, this is nice. I like this additional piece. Yeah, fruits and vegetables. That's good, right? And then that way up here could be all drinks. All drinks in here. That's a nice one, too.
like
Nice. Decisions, y'all. My nose is running. Alright, y'all, so we'll be back. We're just looking around. I'll be back. Okay, here's another one. What brand is this, sweetie? This is Samsung. Alright, let's take a
Which
look.
one was that one over there then?
Whirlpool.
Whirlpool might
Yeah.
This looks better.
Oh, it does. It doesn't have that big box, so I like that. See, the box is here. So I do like how, you know.
Why they got a special sound on this one? That's Whirlpool.
Yeah. Oh, they got a. What's that down there? Bottom with the. I don't know what that is. Let me show you what refrigerator we're gonna have to. I don't know. It just looks so little. But this is the refrigerator we decided to get, y'all. It's gonna be delivered next week. This is it. It looks so short. Yep, so this is it, guys. This is what we're getting. It's a Whirlpool. I think because refrigerator. Here's the receipt. There's the receipt. We did it. We didn't even come in here for that, y'all. Look at that. We didn't even come in here for this. But we needed it. And I'm going to show you when we get home, before they take out the old refrigerator, I'm going to show you guys why we need a new refrigerator. Are we done? Let's go.
That's it. Let's get the hell out of here before we spend more money.
I know. Alright, y'all. Peace. Ooh. It's nasty out. I wish there was a movie we can watch. Yeah, I gotta edit too.
I gotta edit. I got work
Y'all
to
gonna
do.
see this video on Wednesday. I have to edit.
You got work to do.
I'm gonna show y'all our refrigerator when we get home, and I'm not ashamed. I mean, y'all seen it, but y'all ain't see it.
So it's on the way.
It'll be here Saturday.
Well, that fridge was. We moved in with that fridge in there like that, so
Yeah, but since then it's gotten bad. Really
it's
bad.
getting worse and worse and worse.
Yeah.
Water on the.
It's like water seeping at the bottom. It's in the fridge, so it's not on the floor, but it's water coming down. And the handle is all scratched up. I don't like that. But we should have measured it. I have a feeling this new fridge is going to be so much shorter.
Shorter?
It looks short to me. Because I can almost see the top. I don't know. But anyway, we're about to go get something to eat. And that's it. So we back.
Back, yo. Back at home.
Back at home. Back in the crib. I'll close it. Back in the house. Home sweet home. Doesn't it feel good to be home? A nice warm house. Okay, so let me show y'all the refrigerator real quick before we start eating. Turn that light on for me. First of all, look at this. Look at this handle. Okay? Look at that handle, y'all. It's embarrassing. I have no shame in my game. So that's one. And then at the bottom, it's like under here. Yeah, this one is better. So sometimes it'll be water.
Puddle of water.
Yeah, it'll be a puddle of water under here.
A gallon of water down there.
And it usually happens when we turn our ice maker on. So yeah, so it'll be water under there, and then we have to clean it. And I'm so grateful that we're getting another one. It was unexpected. We did not expect to get a refrigerator. Not today. But we got one, and it's coming on Saturday. You guys will definitely see that process. And that's it. What you doing, Denim?
Cookie jar.
What kind of
We
cookies?
can always raise it.
That's Daddy's favorite cookies, right?
You can see our part too, right?
Wow, Denim, you did a good job. You did a good job.
Yeah.
You did a good job, Denim.
We can put an ad in the paper and we ask people with cookie jars if they need somebody to put cookies in the cookie jars.
So you think Denim?
And we charge $30 an hour.
$30 an hour for Denim to put cookies in the cookie jar.
Denim gets an allowance every week, so he has to. This is his allowance list.
I took it off the fridge because it was in every video.
This is his allowance list. He got a vacuum. He got to clean the bathrooms. He got to put water in the fridge. He got to take the trash out. He got to clean his room. He can't leave his sneakers around. He got to put the sneakers outside. And he gets, if he gets 3 strikes, he gets no allowance for the week. So if I come in and see there's no water in the fridge, strike. If I come in and he doesn't vacuum for the week, strike. If I come home from work and the trash is not taken out, sometimes he's on the game and he's sitting on the game and the trash can is overflowing. That's a strike. If he gets 3 strikes, no money, which he gets $25 a week. Should your kids get $25 a week? Should your kids get allowance? Should they?
I think they should.
I
think
asked
they
a co-worker
should.
of mine, and he said this kid's son don't get no damn allowance.
But he just cleans his bathroom. Let's just make that clear. Because we got 4 bathrooms in this house. So he only cleans his own.
So he's been doing a good job. I think he's been doing a better job since we told him he's getting allowance.
Yeah,
Because
since he's
before the
been
allowance-
getting money,
Before the
yeah.
allowance, he wasn't doing none of this stuff. He was slacking. Right? All right, so what you want from me? $25? Let me check. Garbage. Let's check and see if there's any shoes laying. You want to work for free? All right. No shoes. Let's go check his room out. Door open. You eat.
Give me my 25.
What?
I'm gonna give you this $25, right? But I'm not gonna make this. I'm not gonna make this easy for you. Did you vacuum?
I did. You was right there when I vacuumed.
Yeah,
Look, y'all. He saw me beginning to vacuum.
5 minutes with the champ. Come on. You win, you get this $25.
I'm not doing that.
Come
I'm
on.
not fighting. I'm not
Come
fighting.
on, 5 minutes
I'm
with the
not
champ.
fighting. I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting.
Well, y'all go ahead and do what y'all
All right, let's go
I'm
eat.
going
I gotta go.
downstairs to eat.
All right, guys. I don't know what Denham is saving all that money up to do. I think he's giving it all to PlayStation anyway. He's giving all his money to PlayStation. Need to buy some stock in PlayStation. That's what he need to do. Need to get some stock, some Bitcoin or something for him. But we're about to eat. So hold on.
Alright, let me show you guys what Vince got us for dinner tonight. I made it clear that I am not cooking. I think we all got the same thing. This is ginger sauce. Very good. Very, very good. So we got 3 ginger sauce. Oh no, we got 6 ginger sauce. Forks, cheap napkins. And this is what it looks like. it, guys. Ginger sauce.
Well, that is hard to do. 2 months of a liquid diet.
He did it.
Wow.
Shrimp, broccoli, mushroom, zucchini, and brown rice.
All right.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye. Peace.